Laser levels are super simple, and I will show you all the ways they can be used in your projects. I need to lift this wall up and get it perfectly vertical and square with the flat floor. Rule 1, ditch the bubble level and opt for a laser level instead. Turn on the laser and you can immediately see the clear green line, perfectly vertical, very accurate and easy way to level a wall. There's 3 laser projections built into this model by DOVOH: the 360 horizontal, the 120-degree vertical, which you see projected forward, and multiple plumb dots, which shoot straight up and down. The plumb dot is great, for example, installing light fixtures. Say you wanted your fixture 5 foot from the first wall, 4 foot from the second. Go ahead and find that location from the convenience of the floor first and project the dot up to the ceiling and drill. Carrying pouch. To turn it on, simply unlock the switch and set it on a flat surface. This is self-leveling mode. As long as the work surface is within 4 degrees of level, you are good to go. Bump it and it re-levels itself. You can also hold down the power button for tilt mode to lock position at any orientation. Let's take a look back at the framed wall. I've clamped a level to it so you can actually see how much error you're looking at with a conventional level. I'm rocking it about ½ an inch and the bubble is still within the center markers. This is halfway up the wall. So from the bottom to the top, you're looking at about a full inch of error where you can't quite tell if the bubble is level or not. I wouldn't want my wall that uneven. When you turn the laser on, you can clearly see how much the wall is off. This DOVOH model comes with the level, the charger, and the user manual. The battery is built into it. It has a USB-C port to charge with a USB-A to USB-C cable. A full charge lasts 10 hours. This is considered the DIY affordable model, but there are also more professional models with additional lasers and a remote controller. I've included the product link in the video description down below. Let's try out the 360-degree horizontal laser. I've got these 2 beefy shelf brackets. And honestly, I don't need to tell you guys how easy this was to just stick the brackets to the glowing green line. Less error prone than a tape measure or conventional level. I will admit this is where a tripod would come in handy if you have to raise the level so far off the ground. With a tripod, once you set it to the height you want, it's set. You can move it between rooms and still be set to the same height. So it would be great for batch work where you're reusing the same height across multiple rooms. Here we are outside. The sky is blue, the ground is snowy, and the laser is visible even in broad daylight. This is from 10 foot away, 20 foot away, 25 feet away. Right, the laser is still visible. Good to know. Let's rapid fire some uses. Wires, pipes, walls, fixtures, wall decor, tiles, cabinets, basically anything you want straight and level. So overall, laser levels really just remove a lot of the guesswork. You get better accuracy, faster setup, and a consistent reference you can trust without stopping to recheck measurements. If you're tackling more than the occasional project or you care about things being truly straight and square, a laser level makes the work easier and more precise. This DOVOH model is a solid entry point option that covers everything you saw here in the video. And there are other models available if you need even more features. Let me know in the comments if you used the laser level before for projects and what you're working on next.